You don't have a focus problem. You have an attention debt. Every scroll, every notification, every tab you jump to before finishing the last one, it's a small withdrawal. And most people are so deep in debt, they can't sit still for 10 minutes without reaching for their phone. Here's the good news. Attention isn't a fixed trait. It's a skill. And like any skill, it can be rebuilt in 21 days if you follow the right system. Why is your focus broken right now? Every time you switch tasks, your brain leaves a little bit of attention behind on the old task. Researchers call this attention residue. Do that 50 times a day, and by noon, your brain is running on fumes before you've done any real work. This isn't about willpower. It's about training your brain the same way you'd train a muscle. So here's your 21-day system, broken into 3 phases. Phase 1, days 1 through 7. Detox the trigger. Your phone is the single biggest source of attention leaks. For the first 7 days, turn off every non-essential notification, not just silence them. Turn them off completely. Then, pick one 30-minute window each morning where your phone stays in another room, not on the desk, not face down. This feels uncomfortable at first. That discomfort is the debt collector showing up. Sit with it. It gets easier by day 4. Phase 2, days 8 through 14. Build the rep. Now you add a single focus block. Every morning, pick one task and work on it for 25 minutes. No switching, no checking anything. If your mind wanders, that's normal. Just bring it back. Each time you do that, you're doing a rep, the same way a curl is a rep for your bicep. By the end of this phase, most people can hold focus for a full session without the itch to check their phone. That's not motivation. That's a trained nervous system. Phase 3, days 15 through 21. Stack and stretch. Extend your focus block to 45 minutes. Add a second one later in the day if you can. This is where the skill actually locks in. Your brain starts treating deep focus as the default state, not the exception. By day 21, you're not fighting your phone anymore. You've rebuilt the muscle. One more thing that makes or breaks this challenge: track it. Every single day, write down whether you completed your focus block. Yes or no, nothing else. That one line of accountability is what separates people who finish this challenge from people who quit by day 5. You don't need more motivation. You don't need a better app. You need 21 days of showing up for one focus block at a time. Start tomorrow morning. Day 1, if you're in, comment day 1 right now and subscribe so you can track this with me all the way to day 21.